We are pleased to show you the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, navigation system, all-wheel drive, power sunroof, stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Come see the car for yourself.